All right, so I know the first day of class can be kind of confusing, looking for where your classroom is, where you need to go. I also know that we don't want to be walking around a whole lot. If we don't have to this semester, we need to be able to shoot right where we need to go without having to bump into other people and all that. So I made a quick video to show you what you're going to do. Parking lot is through these doors right here. So you've walked into the building from the parking lot, and you are going to show up at this lobby. There's going to be a sign-in table. I think we're going to have them pushed further back, and we'll probably have a couple, but you're going to sign in each time you come to the building. They're just doing that for tracking, like if someone does test positive, we can see what buildings they went to, who they might have come in contact with. But there's our lobby. When you walk in, you're going to turn left, so straight left through the lobby, and there are stairs. There's an elevator. If you have mobility issues, you can use that. But other than that, we're not going to use the elevator this semester just because we don't want people in a close space with other people if we can avoid that. Walk through the stairs. Once you get to the top of the stairs, you're going to exit to the second floor and then just turn right. Follow the exit signs. You're going to turn right. There's a faculty area right here, restroom. We're not going to go through any of those. Sorry, elevator. Restrooms are right here if you do need those. But make this little turn, and then once you make the turn, right underneath that exit sign, this room right here is our Biology 103 Lab room. It's room 238. So I will, at least, let's say 10 minutes before class starts, I'll try to be in here already and I'll have the door open. Once you get in here, I wanted to show you one more thing. If I can do it. Okay. Once you go into the lab room, if you'll notice, we've got a lot of seats. You can actually fit, I think it's 30 total in our room. The problem is we're keeping really small class sizes because we need to stay spread out as much as we possibly can. So there are either going to be sections taped off to show you where to sit, or I will actually tell you, like the first day when you come in, I'll point you in the direction of where you need to sit. Okay, there's only going to be 12 students in a class at one time. So it's going to be awkward. Again, we're all not fans of this, but we're doing what we have to do to at least have a chance to have a normal semester where we can show up the whole time and not have to switch to online. I'll show you where to sit. I'll kind of point you in that direction. That's actually going to be your designated seat for the entire semester. Sorry, I know this seems very elementary school, some of the stuff we're having to do, but we're just given the best shot to have a semester where we can actually meet the whole time. So here's what the lab room looks like. I'll be hanging out up here, and here's where we'll do the experiments. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. But like I said, just get here a few minutes early the first day. That way, if you do get turned around, we can point you in the right direction. And you'll give yourself enough time to do the temperature screening too. All right, let me know if you need anything.